So let's see how to replace the engine air filter from this Toyota Corolla Hybrid. So the air filter housing is located here. We've got basically these two metal clips, and with a 10mm, let's remove this hose clamp. Unplug the connector from the MAF sensor. On the side here we've got a plastic clip. Let's release this. And the cover should come out. And here it comes. With a wet towel you can clean it a little bit in there. You can vacuum clean it or even just remove the housing from here. You've got two 10mm on the bottom there, and this thing will come out. Now is the reverse process. Just put the new filter on, slide in the cover, first into the intake hose here. Then you've got here two tabs, secure it with these clips, and reconnect the mass airflow sensor. Alright, so job done. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and maybe I will see you in the next video.